Club Wars 3, Round 3.
Porsche 911 GT3 from Antonov, Sekou City Diecast Racing Team. Jaguar XESB Project 8 from John Snower, Raimi Racing. McLaren F1 GTR from Prince Herberdov, D. Prince Burnout Garage.
Race 1. Jaguar win 1. Switch lanes. Jaguar win 2. Race 2. McLaren win 1. Switch lanes. This video is brought to you by Cebu Locksmith. McLaren win 2. Race 3. Jaguar win 1. Switch lanes. Jaguar win 2. Our round 3 champion, John Snow of Ramu Racing, and will qualify for the final round. Thank you everyone for the support. Please hit like, share, subscribe.